Hello crafters, today I'm going to be showing you 5 must-know tips about this embroidery pen. So if that sounds fun, please stick around and like, comment and subscribe. So before I even start on this, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It would really mean the world to me. And I guess the reason I'm doing this video is because some of my videos you might have seen recently on this topic have got a lot of views and I really enjoy doing them. So if you like it, I guess I'll continue doing them. I did a tutorial and an unboxing here and they'll be carded up here. So anyway, the first tip I have is how to thread your tool. If you don't have this, you won't know that it comes with, anyway, the kit comes with 2 different ones of these threaders, but when these break, as they will, or if you lose them, I've lost mine so many times, and my other one has broken, you can use some thread. You're going to want to use a very thin thread. I'm not sure what gauge this is. You're going to want to cut a length that's maybe about 3 times as long as your pen, and then you're going to want to fold it in half, and you can use that as a threader. So I really recommend that instead of having to buy a whole new kit. And something else that works is also fish wire, very thin fish string, fish wire, I don't know, or clear thread. If you can see that there, that works as well. My second tip is how to create a quick sky, and it's actually by using 2 different threads, and you're going to want to use the biggest needle included, and you're just going to go back and forth, slowly building on upwards. And I used I made my stitches very long just so I could cover as much as possible, and don't come back down again. This is how I kind of messed it up here, but I like it, and you can see the back there. Next tip is actually the best fabric to use. In my own opinion, I think Ada is the best fabric to use. It's very, it really holds the stitches in so they're not going to be falling out. I've been known to use like old sheets and stuff, so obviously you do whatever you want. This is just what I really do recommend for using, and yeah. Next tip is something I kind of have shared a lot, and it's actually to use these kind of embroidery hoops, the ones that you have this plastic thing and this kind of rubbery thing, and you put it on top instead of these kind of hoops. I think, in my opinion, they just kind of hold the whole thing better, and I would recommend doing that. And so you don't have to be continuously tightening the fabric, something I had to do with these, but not so much with these. So there's that, and they also come in ovals. I'm not sure if these come in ovals, but you can get these in ovals, and that's something a little different if you want. And the last thing is just a little thing for the beginners out there, and it's to make your stitch is as long as possible at the start. I think when you're kind of more experienced with this, you can go down a little bit. You can have a smaller number here, but at the very start, you'll see you're just going to want to put it to the very end, just so your stitches at the back will be as large as possible, so they'll have a lesser chance of falling out. I have a very good example here. So they have a lesser chance of falling out, and you can see here I kind of messed about with the stitch length, and it's better to make them long because they won't fall out. Here I kind of had lots of trouble, they were continuously falling out. So I guess that's all of my tips for today. If you enjoyed that, please check out my 2 other videos. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It would really mean the world to me. And tell me down below if there's any other kind of video you want me to make on embroidery pen, card making, scrapbooking, mixed media, anything. I'd be so happy to do it. And anyway, that's all for today. Please, again, like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!